brushing off the car. John snow blowing. I'm videotaping, and everybody else is inside. That's like a real loser. Mitzi! Mitz!
Come on, Don.
Get in the camp. Get in with that vehicle. Put that video down with the scarf on my head.
Come on. Come on.
Guys, take the camera up, guys. Right, here we go. Hey.
Okay. Now we'll take a picture.
Stop time.
Where the heck is she? Oh, Mitz!
Good, Mitz.
What'd you do?
Good girl.
Ugh. What a nice job John did. That's a professional job.
Mitzi, run. No, not over here. Oh, why are you so stupid? Go far. Get away from there. Mitzi, no.
Yeah, I'm following that one. I think I can see the damn thing.
How'd you get the
Was that nice?
Yep.
No.
I almost said Jay
Yeah.
signed Jay.
You're after Don.
Alright.
That almost got signed?
Yeah, you were almost spoiled.
Nervous.
I'm a run.
What an idiot.
I guess that's the idea.
You got a grunt.
That's on the green now.
You should have sitting there further than all you guys said. I get another
It's a worm killer.
Close up.
Where'd that club come from? That's a bomb. Oh, I'm following it too. Yeah, right.
Move back towards me, that's why. Just a bit outside. These Taylor's Crest golf.
Yeah, nice shot. Wasted your money on those clubs, Taylor.
There's a shot.
Foul ball. Tick.
Go far. The
Just,
wind knocked it
just
off.
continues to waste his money. Just put his hat on. He shanked it off the board. You suck.
There we go. Ugly stick. Get out of here!
That's hooking.
I didn't see it.
You're trying to follow it in that?
Yeah.
I followed his.
Like, you can do it.
You followed mine?
Yeah.
How could you
Oh,
not?
yeah. Here we go. Get a close-up of it.
Move back. You wonder why you clubbed the ground. You need to pop one straight up. Oh, you hit it good. Shoot like that all the time. Oh! Don't shoot like this. It was cool. Further at this.
I got that too.
It's on chat pictures.
Shank.
You got that. Anything else you want me to do?
That's how I was.
Okay. Roll to 50 just did it.
Robbie was in first. I just liked him. He was super good. They're all even about 5 foot from the ground. Just slowly get higher. A couple of times. Keep my arms straight.
Man, it is cold out.
Yes, it's loud. You done with screwing it, Don?
Ooh. One more year to go.
No, I mean, put it in the summer.
Nope. 2 weeks ago. During summer school.
In summer school?
Yeah, I gotta finish Spanish. I gotta get rid of it. Oh gosh, it's driving me nuts.
It's very important subject.
If I'm ever gonna teach it again,
Yeah.
I have to take four sequences out of it.
Doing right.
Seriously.
Talked on the end days and stuff.
Top 5 seconds.
What was Coach telling you after we were played Thursday? He looked at our glove.
Oh yeah. He said something like, open it first. He asked me if it was too big for me or something. He said, when I catch it in the web, he said it looks like it comes back more. I'm like, no, it's
You
what?
too much weight when you let you let the glove.
Yeah.
That don't make sense.
Yeah. Like that? Yeah. Just fine. Well, I mean,
He
you
made
got...
2 really nice plays in the coach checks his glove. I couldn't understand what he was looking at.
Really?
Yeah. Those are nice plays too.
Hey, you can big blocks around.
You don't make them that good.
You need blockers and a waffle.
Yeah. Feel like Andy Grove control. I didn't see too many plays period. That was good. That was. Except for how good.
No, just because he's goofy. But that's just the boss.
Okay. Have a nice day. Jay, after you get done using her, we should clean it. Definitely not difference between these cheap clubs and his clubs. Out of here! I
keep my finger, it hurts. Pushing it through.
Seems so weird though. I think the smaller head will get
Got that one.
I just nice and easy one. See if I can get it.
yours, Jim?
Yeah.
About 125 is a little too.
Really? That was just a nice easy swing.
Yeah, that's what I.
Not trying to crush
Go
it.
back and forth and hit it nice and soft. And try and hit it hard.
I want to try. See how consistent I get out of here. 1.5. Look at that. Launched it with a 5.
Oh, 3.
I had it bounce so high.
Okay, watch this. See? It doesn't seem like you hit it more solid. It was smaller, I just think that.
No. I love to drive it.
Yeah, it's so sweet.
Still good. 100 yards. Tee over there. Wow, that'd be hurt if I was playing. I just try to hit that 100 something, or 200, 150 or whatever. Just use that as accuracy. It's over there. He's got his changeable standards. That would have been a nice one. Yeah, good, good. Yeah, look at that. It's almost 150. Just by this tapping, not even killing myself. Yeah, it was nice and straight, too. got under a little bit too far. I did that last one with 5. Did you? There we go. Look at that, 200. I think mine was almost 200 with the 5.
Yeah, that fine. I hit 200 in the air that. Watch, I'll go for that flag. One later, go for that flag.
See, just a nice easy swing. Look how much distance you get off of it. It's more consistent. About 100 yards. This one's supposed to get further distance this time? Yep. Full number further. Each one have lighter.
Five's more giving a lot. 5. Sheer distance. But you just barely got over the hill.
Yeah, a little high. Just traveling up the grass yet, Jay?
That part's roped off though, I think. That whole square is ripped.
Got a good shot there.
John, give me from behind.
Eye on the ball.
You get the 100?
No.
He's attempting a grass shot. He's about a 3 iron. It's about 3 wood. Yeah, he's sizing it up. He's sizing it up. Taking his time. He's sizing it up. He's sizing it up. He's still sizing it up. He's using about 3 wood. Get about 3 wood on this shot. About 150 yards. Oh, he got all of it. He got all of it. He got all that one. He got all that one. Oh, they just got all that one.
I don't have the...
Oh, who cares?
It's like getting right on the flat. I'm serious.
He started it up. It's about a tree wood. Oh, you got all that one. You got all that one. He started it up. Get about a tree wood.
That's one reason I can hit it, because we have Bill Murray over it.
For the Masters title. He started it up. He's still sizing it up.
You can do it while I'm ledge.
Oh, he got all that one. He's a Masters champion. Shooting about a 1 wood. He did. It's about 250 yards. Oh, he got all that one.
I hit it further off the ground.
Got good form. Good form.
I don't get too many in the air very high. I mean, I hit them.
Let's see it, driver.
I got one more.
Jay.
Yeah.
Nice hat.
Thank you.
Be a bomb.
Want some smoke?
I knew someone was going to say something.
It's because it's close to me.
Jay, what time is it? Oh, it's 3:22.
It's time to eat. It's 4:20, so nice and easy. Yeah, nice and easy.
Nice shot. The swing, oh no, it's a practice.
Okay, here we are. We have ducks. Who needs the St. Lawrence? We have them right in our own front yard on Wellesley Road. There's Jimmy out there feeding them. And like a nut, I'm standing in the rain. I'm getting wet. I'm going inside.